Hello friends, welcome to my channel Make Cube Journey. So let's start our series of solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In this series there will be 4 parts. In the first part I will introduce you with the pieces, layers and moves of the cube. In the second part I will show you how to solve the first layer. In the third part the second layer, and in the last part the last layer. So let's start our first part. These pieces are called center pieces, which are located in the center of the cube. These pieces are called edge pieces. They have 2 different colors in them. These pieces are called corner pieces. They have 3 different colors in them. Now the layers of this cube. If we hold our cube like this is our right layer. This is left layer, this is front layer, this is back layer, this is up layer, and this is down layer. Now the moves of this layer are means right layer 1 time up, R prime means right layer 1 time down, L means left layer 1 time down, L prime means left layer 1 time up, U means up layer 1 time left side, U prime means up layer 1 time right side, D means down layer 1 time right side, D prime means down layer 1 time left side, F means front layer 1 time right side, F prime means front layer 1 time left side, B means back layer 1 time left side, B prime means back layer 1 time right side. Now the steps to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First we have to make the top cross. The first step of solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube is to make the top cross. Then the corners of the top layer. Then we have to solve the second layer. Then we have to solve the third layer by making the cross first and then corners. So this is the end of our first part. In the second part I will show you how to solve the top cross and the corners of the top layer. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.